guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harshita and for today's video I'm going to show you all the equipments I use for my art. So first of all I'm going to show you my equipments. So first I'm going to show you the pencil from which I shade the pencil, that is Faber-Castell 6 drawing pencils. There are 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B and 8B. So I'm going to show you all the pencils. Just wait a second. So this is a pencil of Faber-Castell. I'm going to show you. And this is of 8B. So the next pencil I'm going to show you is so the next pencil is this one of 6B, the same pencil only but it is of 6B. So I'm going to show you this sharp pen so that you can see it very nicely. Okay, so these are all my pencils which I use to create the drawings and shade the drawings. So the next item I'm going to show you is, most probably I use this pencil, Apsara Absolute extra strong and extra dark pencil. Most probably I use this one to draw my sketches and all, and to make the light parts I use this one Luxor pen pencil. So I'm going to show you and zoom it. So I'm going to show you how it works. This is the extra dark Apsara Absolute pencil. So I'm going to show you first this one. So I'm going to draw a flower in it. So sorry for the background noises. This is a flower of extra dark pencil, and now I'm going to show you the Luxor pencils. Just I have drawn a flower to show you all. So the Luxor pencil is like this and the extra dark pencil is like this. So this was my tutorial. So sorry for the background noises there. So I have shown you these two pencils uses. So if you guys like this video and like these pencils and till now which equipments I have shown you, please hit like the button and subscribe to my channel if you are new in my channel. So let's go to the next equipment. Most probably what is important in our drawings are colors. Colors show the main attraction of our drawing. So I use watercolor. Most probably I use oil pastels or crayons color, but most probably I use oil pastels. Then I shade it, and most probably also, not most probably but probably I use this one watercolor tubes, camels watercolor tubes. So I want to show you a quick tutorial of this watercolor. So these are the watercolors I'm going to show you, and this is a white color. This is I think chrome yellow hue. So you will get all different types of colors. There are 14 shades in these colors. So these are the watercolors. If you guys like this color, please hit like the button. So that was the quick tutorial of this watercolor. There are 14 shades in this watercolor tubes, and I like this watercolors very much, and this was brought by my father in my birthday, right? So it's interesting, very interesting, and I loved it very much, and it is very easy to use. So with this one plate also has came. So this is the plate. So I want to show you this plate's quick tutorial, but yes. So these two are my brushes. So this is a Royalson Series 66 brush, 66 number brush, and it's the slim part of the color. So, and this is the fat part of the color, and it is Novlita Teclon 131. So this is the other brush. So I'm gonna show the quick tutorial of these two brushes. Yes. So the next part is this plate from which I draw things, and my favorite part is this one. So this plate is very pretty, and I loved it. So always better always. So this is of dial. Use of dial. So I love this equipment very much. Very much means very much. Next is my oil pastels mixing ka magic. So this is the oil pastel. Most probably I use this one in my colors, but most probably I use the sketch parts. Even this is a sketchbook, so I use all the sketch parts only. So this there are 25 shades, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial of these colors. There are 25 shades, and we are getting free pencil also with this. So if you guys like this color, please hit like the button. So there is another sketch pen view, guys, for you all. I will be showing you everything, and this is these are my sketch pens of Luxar. And Luxar sketch pens are too easy to use. The Luxar sketch pen are very easy to use, and this was gifted by. This was also a gift. So I loved it very much, and it is like a pencil, but we cannot write with this pencil. Okay guys, this was my quick tutorial, but I want to show you one more tutorial of my one more equipment. So a quick tutorial at last but not the least, my sketchbook. This is my sketchbook where I draw all my drawings, even with mixing ka magic, oil pastel colors, watercolors, or sketching parts. I draw in this book. So this book is new. So I want to show you a quick tutorial of my drawings. For first drawing, I have drawn this one. It's not very good, but I have tried my best. And the second drawing, I was drawing this one, and I will be completing this one. I will be showing you a tutorial of this one. So better you subscribe to my channel and press the notification button for this video's update, and it will be coming on it will be coming tomorrow, Saturday. So better you watch this, better you subscribe to my channel and press the notification button. So guys, this was my quick equipment tutorial. So this was my quick tutorial of my all equipment. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new in my channel, and press the notification button for every other new updates. So bye bye, take care, and bye bye.